Are you ready to go to the zoo?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Have you ever been to this zoo before?
No, this is my first time.
What animals do you want to see first?
I want to see the lions.
Let's buy the tickets first.
Okay, let's go.
Here's our entrance ticket.
Thank you very much.
Look at the zoo map.
It's very helpful.
Which way should we go?
Let's go to the lion area first. Wow, the lions are so big. They look very strong. Why are they sleeping?
They usually rest during the day.
Let's see the elephants now.
Great idea.
Look at that giant elephant. It's amazing. What is the elephant eating?
It's eating grass and fruit.
Can we feed the animals?
No, we must follow the zoo rules.
Look at those funny monkeys. They're climbing the trees.
The monkeys are very active.
Yes, they're playing together.
Let's visit the giraffes.
Their necks are so long. How tall is that giraffe? It's very tall.
Look at the zebras.
I love their black and white stripes.
Let's go to the bird section.
There are so many colorful birds.
Listen to the birds singing.
They sound beautiful. Wow! The peacock opened its feathers. It's so beautiful.
Let's see the penguins.
They're swimming so fast.
Look at the bears.
They're eating fish. The tigers look powerful.
Yes, they're beautiful animals.
Can we take some pictures?
Of course. Smile. Let's take a family photo.
That's a wonderful idea. I'm feeling a little thirsty.
Let's buy some water. Are you hungry?
Yes, let's have a snack. The zoo calf looks nice.
Let's eat there. What would you like to eat?
I'd like a sandwich and juice. The food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Shall we continue our tour?
Yes, let's explore more.
Look at the crocodiles. They look scary. They're lying very still.
They're waiting quietly.
Look at the hippos. They're relaxing in the water.
The kangaroos are jumping.
They're so cute. Look at the pandas. They're eating bamboo. I love pandas the most. They're adorable.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the elephant.
Did you enjoy today's trip?
Yes, I had so much fun.
What did you learn today?
I learned about many different animals.
Which animals surprised you the most?
The giraffe surprised me the most.
Would you like to visit again?
Yes, I'd love to come back. The zoo is clean and beautiful. I really like this place. Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome. Let's buy a small souvenir.
That's a great idea.
What did you buy?
I bought a cute panda toy.
It's time to go home.
I had an amazing day. Goodbye, zoo. See you again someday.
I can't wait to come back.
Me too. It was a wonderful trip. Congratulations. You have completed today's English conversation lesson. Keep practicing these conversations every day to improve your spoken English naturally and confidently. If you found this lesson helpful,
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English conversation video. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.